Okay. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, we were discussing the chapter polynomials, right? And particularly, we were focusing on the concept called algebraic identities. Just to recall its definition, Manya, let your concentration be here. Identity, it can be defined as a mathematical statement which is true for all the values of its variables. A mathematical statement which is true for all the values of its variables is called an identity. And we have some standard identities or general identities where we go for using the algebraic terms as well. So therefore, they are called algebraic identities. We have some important algebraic identities. In the last class only, we have already listed them for 11 identities. The very first one is a plus b whole square. That's equal to, that is exactly equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. Both are same only. Next, a minus b whole square. That's equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then third one is a plus b into a minus b, which is exactly equal to a square minus b square. And fourth one is x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, right? Like that. 7 more are there. So to recall the first 4 identities only. The reason is we are going to solve the problems of these 4 identities. In today's class, we are going to focus on these. Next, you also know that these identities will be used for 3 purposes. One is finding the product of the given numbers without using actual multiplication, right? And second one is expanding the given statement, the identities. And third one is we will go for factorizing some of the statements again by using identities. So these are the 3 important uses which we are going to learn in this academic year. Many are there, but we will focus only on these 3. So among them, we were focusing on the first one. What it was? Finding the product by using suitable identities. In that, the first one was taken, right? It is.
Sir, unmute your audio. Sir, unmute your audio.
What was that first one?
103 into 327.
Very good. Very good. 103 into 97. Now, let me go for taking second one. You can also write it. The first question was over. Now I'll be taking the second one. Second one, I'll take it from the textbook only. It is 104 into 96. I think this was also given in yesterday's test, right?
Yes, sir.
How much marks? How much marks?
For 1 mark.
1 month.
Just by observing the statement only, you can come to know that it can be written in the form of an identity. Could you tell how do you write this? How do you rewrite 104 into 96?
100 plus 4.
100 plus
100 minus 4.
100 minus 400 minus 4.
104 is more than 100. It can be written as 100 plus 4. 96 is less than 100. It can be written as 100. Right. Solution. It is 104 into 96 can be rewritten as 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. Prithviraj. Prithviraj.
Yes, sir.
Your image is upside down. Yes. Could you tell which identity can be used for solving this?
A plus B, A minus B.
A plus B into A minus B. Okay, let's go for using that. Right, the identity A plus B into A minus B, which is exactly equal to what?
A square minus B square.
A square minus B square. Now substitute. Here 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. You can observe here A is 100 in place of B, 4 is there. Substitute. It is equal to 100 whole square minus 4 whole square. Abhinandan. Abhinandan.
Sir,
Yeah. What is 100 square?
10,000.
10,000. 4 square.
16.
10,000 minus 16.
24.
9,984.
9,984. So therefore, we can write the conclusion as 104 into 96 is 9,980. Overall, next I'll go for taking. Sorry. Would I give?
Yes, sir.
Prithvi,
Yes,
have you
sir.
copied?
Yes, sir.
Prithvi? Not yet. Copy. Lakshmi Shri, finished. Good girl. Yes. Dheeraj? Very good.
Everyone,
Monika,
please turn on your video. Everyone, please turn on your video.
Okay, listen. Now we are moving to third one. This third one is related to another based on another identity. Please don't go for copying. Observe and identify and tell. Shreya KR, stop madam. Shreya KR, just look here. Don't copy. Here I'll write 106. 106
A plus B whole.
into 106. Could you tell which identity can be used for solving this?
A plus B whole
A
square.
plus B whole square.
B whole square.
A plus
Are you
B.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
100
sir.
plus 6.
Prashant, how do you decide it is related to A plus B whole square?
100 plus 6.
That's why I plus
Because
that's why I plus 2AB plus B square.
106 into 106 can be written as 106 whole. 106 can be written as
100 plus 6 whole
100
square.
plus 6 whole square.
whole square. See that we have two terms. This is A, this is B. A plus B whole square. Yeah. So now let's move on. Right. Start writing. 106 into 106. Solution. Could imply simple. First, you want a formal barine baking. Directly don't go for using the identity. 106 whole square is equal to 100 plus 6 whole square. Gagandeep. Gagandeep.
Sir.
Tell the identity A plus B whole square. Come. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now substitute. Here 100 plus 6 whole square. In place of A, 100 is there. In place of B, 6 is there. We can write it as 100 whole square plus 6 whole square, then 2 into 100 into 6. We know that 100 square is 10,000. 6 square is 36. Then multiply this. 6 2s are 12.
1200.
1200.
100. Nothing but 1,200. Here 10,000 plus 1,200. 11,200 plus 36. It is 11,236.
236.
Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, why you put 3 dashes instead of equals to?
It is identity, no? So this is the symbol used to represent the identity. And this indicates it is exactly equal to. Just a day before yesterday, I had given you that information. Right. 106 wholes. Can I take up next one? Dhruti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You may.
Okay. Dhruti,
Yes, sir.
don't want. Still you are copying that. Oh, copy that. Okay. Then meanwhile, I'll talk to Manya. Manya A.
Yes, sir.
Manya. In the next problem, I'm going to use the identity A minus B whole square. That's equal to whatever it is. That is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Related to that, could you tell the problem yourself?
96 into 96.
96. Okay, how?
100 minus 4 we can take it.
Very good, very good, very good. So now let me go for the same. I take the same number. Right. The problem has come by your side only. Then I want solution from again your side. That is from student side. Just I'll keep on writing. I won't go for explaining. You should also carry. It is 96, no, Manya? 90, you said 96, right? 96 into 96.
9,216.
Only calculated. Yes. I'm not going to explain anything. Just I'm writing. A minus B whole square is exactly equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Then 100 minus 4 whole square is exactly equal to 100 whole square plus 4 whole square minus 2 into 100 into 4 is 10,000 plus 16 minus 800. Then it is 9,200 plus 16. Now you will check. Have you got 9,216?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Same.
Yeah, very good, very good. 96 whole square 9,260. Okay. Total 4 are over, and we used how many identities?
1,
Three identities.
2 identity.
Three identity.
Niharika, which are those? Niharika.
A plus
One is
B
a plus b whole square. Second
A
one is a minus b whole square. Third one is a plus b into a minus. These three are there. Now I'm going to focus on another identity. Copy the statement. Afterwards you can identify. It is fifth sub question. The fifth sub question. Let me go for taking 105 into 106. Tanvi, could you tell which identity can be used for solving this?
Sir, A plus B whole square is equals to A square.
A plus b whole square. How?
Plus A plus
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Wait. She's trying. Sanvi, are these two numbers one and the same? Here is 105 and this is 106. They are not equal.
Your answer is 11,130.
Sir, A plus B into A minus B.
A plus b into a minus b now.
X plus A into X plus B.
X plus A into
Square
X
plus
plus
of
B.
A plus B. Plus AB.
Just one part is enough for discussion. Now you may stop writing and look at them. Sanjana ji, stop. Okay. Of course, you should write with. Here 105 and this is 106. By observing both the numbers, you come to know that both are more than 100 only. So 105 can be written as 100 plus 5 and 106 can be written as 100 plus 6. Look here. Here, first term of both is say 100, whereas second term are different. First term and second term, if both are same, we would have written this as a plus b into a plus b and this a plus b whole square applied. But this is first term is same and second terms are different. So hence you can write it as x plus a into x plus b. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Sir.
Yes,
Amulya
sir.
CK,
Yes, sir.
I want response.
Yes, sir.
That only.
Yes,
right?
sir.
If this much is, if it is there, it is enough. Okay. Rakshita B. Okay. Now this can be solved by using the identity x plus a into x plus b, which is exactly equal to x square plus of a plus b into x plus ab. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's go for solving it. Chandana, let your concentration be here.
Sir, answer is 11,130.
Correct. Right. 105 into 106 can be written as 100 plus 6. Sorry, 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. And this is of the form of an identity that is x plus a into x plus b, which is exactly equal to. Chandana, continue this statement for this identity. Chandana, I am not getting response.
X square plus into a plus b into x plus ab.
No. Once you repeat.
X square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
Correct. It is x square plus of a plus b into x plus a. Now you're right. It is 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6, which is equal to, just look at the book. You may write 100 in place of X, 5 in place of A, and 6 in place of B. So substitute and go for calculation. Yes, 100 whole square plus of
11,130.
into 100 plus 5 into 6. This is equal to 100 square is, it is 10,000 plus 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 into 100, 1100. Nothing but 1100 plus 5 6 are 30. Here 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000 plus 100, 11,130. 11,130. 11,130. The conclusion. Therefore, 105 into 106 is equal to 11,130. Finished up?
Yes, sir.
Have you finished?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, we will move on to sixth one. Take this from textbook only. This is. On the exercise it is 103 into 107. Lavanya, could you identify by which identity it can be solved?
Excuse me, sir, I can't see it.
Akshay? Akshay,
Yes, sir.
which identity of finding the value of this?
X plus A into X plus
X
B.
plus A, X plus B is equal to X square by
100 plus 3, 100 plus 7.
Very good. Very good. Here, 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Both are more than 100, like previous problem. So, you can find out the value by using the same idea.
Plus A into
X
X.
plus A into X plus B.
Okay, right with me. 103 into 107, this is equal to 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. And this is of the form X plus A into X plus B, which is exactly equal to X square plus of A plus B into X plus A. Then 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7, it is equal to 100 whole square plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. Where 100 square is 10,000, then 3 plus 7 is, first to simplify the terms in the bracket. 3 plus 7 is 10, 100 tens are 1,000 plus 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21.
11,021. 11,021.
11,021.
Very good. 11,021. So you may write the conclusion as it is 103 into 107. That's equal to 11,020. Have you copied? Okay, very good. Now, let me go for seventh one. And again, you should try your best to identify the identity to be used for solving. Seventh one, I think this time I can expect from Tejasvi CP. Only these students will respond. Tejasvi, then Ravi Shankar, yourself should respond. And Samarth MV, including Renuka. Okay. Renuka, Samarth MV, Ravi Shankar, and Tejas. Others should not go for telling anything. It is 95 into 96. Wait. I'll ask you a question. Only these 4 students should respond. The question is, could you tell which identity can be used?
So x minus a into x minus b.
X plus A into X plus B.
Who is telling? Tejasvi or Samarth?
X plus A into X plus B equals
Certainly.
X square plus A plus B
Enough.
X.
Enough. It can be written in the form of x plus A into x plus B. Then how did you come to know this identity can be used?
Sir, different numbers are there.
Of course. Even there may be some other numbers also. Even these are also different.
Sir, means
Sir,
in
we
one
can write
same
in a
number
90.
one not.
Renuka is telling, let her continue.
Sir, if in number example 96 into 96 is there, means we can use the identity A minus B or like that. Now 95 into 96 is there. No, sir, while splitting 100 minus 5 and 100 minus 4 we will get. So we have to use X plus A and X minus X
Excellent.
plus A and
Very
X
good,
plus.
very good. See, even in the previous problem, the numbers were more than 100. In this problem, both the numbers 95 and 96 are less than 100, and 95 can be written as she said that is Renuka, the 100 minus 5, and 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Okay, here first terms are same and second terms are different. When first terms are same and second terms are different, we can go for using the identity x plus A into x plus B.
Sir,
You understand?
Sir,
Sir.
subtraction correct 9,120.
9,120.
Answer is 9120.
Some of you are thinking how that identity will come as it consists of negative numbers. I'll explain that.
Plus of
Please
minus.
write it.
sir,
Now you will
we can
start
also
writing.
take 90 plus 5.
Write
Sir.
it. Okay, I'll give you both also. First, one student said that I am taking the statement what it was given by that girl. Here, 95 into 96 is equal to 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Let's go for using the identity x plus A into x plus B, which is exactly equal to x square plus sum A plus B plus AB. Please go on writing with me. Next, let us write the given statement, that is 95 into 96 as minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Just observe here. In place of x, 100 is there. In place of A, please notice that here we have minus 5. In place of A, minus 5. In place of B, minus 4. So substitute 100 in place of x. This is 100 whole square plus A plus B, where A is minus 5 and B is
Minus 4.
minus 4. Into x, x is 100 plus AB minus 5 into minus 4. Minus 5 into minus 4. This is equal, where 100 whole square is 10,000 plus. Here minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Minus 9 into 100 is
Minus 900.
Minus 900.
100. Next, here minus
20.
into minus plus 5 4s are 20. Let me write plus 20. 10,000 minus 900 is, it is 9,100 plus 20. It is 9,120. Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As Renka said, both the numbers are less than 100, so that we have taken like this. Even one of the students said, sir, both the numbers are more than 90. If so, then how do you go for writing 95 and 96?
90 plus 5, 90 plus 6.
90 plus 6.
90 plus 6.
90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. So by using those numbers also, on simplification, you should get the same answer. So let us go for try by that also. Start writing. Ekta, are you writing? Yes. Tanush, are you understanding? Okay, okay, right. Another method. 96 into 95 into 96. As a student said, I'll write it as 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. Here also, first term is same, second terms are different. Therefore, x plus a and x plus b can be used. Start writing with me. X plus a into x plus b, which is exactly equal to x square plus of a plus b into x plus a. This is 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6, which is equal to. Now, substitute 90 in place of x, 5 in place of a, and 6 in place of b. Here I'll write, it is 90 whole square plus. Then a and b, a is 5, b is 6. It is 5 plus 6. And x is again 90 plus a into b. This is 5 and 6, which is equal to
8,100.
8,100.
Same will come, sir.
The same.
2 zeros. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 9 6.
990.
990 plus 5 6 are 30. Yes.
Sum of all is
Sir,
900 and
9,000,
120.
How much it will be?
130 will come, sir.
9,120.
120, sir.
120, sir. 120.
8,100 in plus 900. It is
9,000.
9,090.
120.
9,090 plus 30, 9,120.
120. It is 9,120. So therefore, 95 into 96 is 9,120. Same answer.
Sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For next one, I expect a quick response. Anybody can tell that.
A plus b plus c whole square.
Who said that?
Nalpat, sir.
Unpaid. Just observe, yeah. Here I'll write the number 2 plus 3 plus 4. Whole square. What is the final answer? Tell that.
A plus B plus C whole square.
B plus 256.
2AB plus 2BC plus 2.
81.
81. 81.
Very good.
81.
81.
Enough. Observe 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 whole square is 81. If it is asked, find the value of this, you'll write the same, 81. But if the question is asked like this, find the value of this by using suitable identity. Hangadre, which identity can be used?
A plus B plus C
A
whole
plus B
square.
plus C whole square.
plus
B plus C whole square.
equals A square plus B square.
A plus B plus C.
plus B plus C
Enough.
is
Afrin, Afrin,
Yes, sir.
expand A plus B plus C whole square identity.
A square plus B square.
Continue.
Sir, voice is
Sir, echo, sir.
Yes, sir, voice is echoing.
recording.
Even I too can hear. Yeah? Only our voice is there, so that no problem at all. Continue, Afrin.
A plus B whole. A square plus B square plus C square.
Afrin Sheikh, you tell.
Square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA.
Very good. A plus B plus C whole square is exactly equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. That identity can be used. So let us go for take it. It is 8
Sir, last
Yes, sir.
2C not sir, CA sir.
2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square. Start writing with me. It is in the form of an identity A plus B plus C whole square, which is exactly equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Substitute. Here 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square. In place of A, you may substitute 2. Place of B, 3. Place of C, 4. Right. This is equal to, here, in place of A, as I said, you have to write 2. 2 whole square. In place of B, we know that B value is 3. So it is 3 whole square. Then in place of C, 4 is there. Let us write 4 whole square plus 2AB. A is 2, B is 3. 2 into 3 plus 2BC. B is 3, C is 4. So 2 into 3 into 4 plus 2CA. 2 into, where C is 4, A is 2. So 4 into 2. Now this is equal to, it is 2 whole square is
4.
4. 3 square
9.
4 square
9.
16.
16.
4 3 plus 12.
12.
2 3s are 6.
24.
24.
2 4s are
16. 16.
Sir, 81.
81. 81.
I know that you are clever. You can write that directly. Yeah, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 4, 29. Then 24 plus 6. It is 50.
50.
40 plus
52.
50.
will be
81.
therefore 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square is 81 according by you the identity.
Sir, can we use a plus b whole square?
A plus B whole square can be used. You may take A as 2 plus B as 4.
Sir,
Or
voice is echoing,
A as
sir.
2, B as 3 plus like that.
Sir, voice is echoing,
Sir,
sir.
can we add that? Like 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 whole square. Can we take like that, sir?
Once you tell.
Sir, according to a plus whole square, can we take 2 plus 3 a as 5 and b as 4? Can we add that, sir? Both the terms can be add first terms.
Prashant sir.
5 plus 4 whole square, sir.
Sir, echo, sir.
Yes, sir.
Prashant sir. Prashant sir.
Echo, sir.
1 minute. I think you may be asking that 2 plus 3 can be added.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you will take 5 plus 4 whole square. No,
Yes, sir.
being clearly mentioned that it should be simplified by using the identity. Without disturbing this statement, you will later disturb more. 2 plus 3 plus 4 should be written as it is only. So it will be of the form A plus B plus C whole square. Prashant sir is not receiving. Okay. Now I'll go for taking next one. This is very important. Put 3-star mark on this. 3-star marks. Right. 9th one. Dear student, just listen to me. Are you experiencing the repeated reflection of sound?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sound.
No. It's correct or no?
No,
Sir, echoing.
It's echoing, sir.
Point.
Echoing.
Right. Prashant sir. Sir is not receiving. Let it be. Now I'm going to take very important statement. So this was given in the examination as well. Put 3-star mark and write 999 whole cube. You have to find out its value without actual multiplication, nothing but using the suitable identity. If so, could you tell which identity can be
A
used?
minus B
A
whole
plus
cube.
B whole cube.
A plus
B whole cube.
A minus B whole cube.
A plus B whole cube.
Enough.
A 1000 minus A whole cube.
Enough. It can be written in 2 different forms. As 990 plus 9 whole cube or 1000 minus 1 whole cube. Which of these two will be easier?
Sir, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube.
minus 1.
A plus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube.
A
Enough.
plus b whole cube.
Minus b whole cube, sir. A
One
plus
one is properly telling that a plus b whole cube. Who is that? I think Prithvi.
Shubhan.
Or else Nalpet. Nalpet only. If you tell once it's enough, you can hear that. A plus b whole cube, you find it difficult.
Yes, sir. 990 cube.
990
Cube is difficult, sir.
whole cube. See, what is the cube? To find out the cube of this number, you find it
Outside
difficult.
minus 1 whole cube.
That is why you can take this as 1000 minus 1 whole cube. So 1000 cube can be found out easily. Right. This is 999 whole cube. This number is 999 is very close to 1000. Therefore, I write it as 1000 minus 1 whole cube. And it is of the form a minus b whole cube. You know this identity? I expect response from Amol K. Amol. Yes, could you expand this? Expand the identity a minus b whole cube. A cube.
A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube minus 3ab plus into a plus b.
No. I'm asking Amoke, but Prithvi is responding. Okay, I can expect some other student. Aniket, could you tell the identity? A minus b whole cube. Complete that identity.
B cube minus 3ab into a minus b.
Yeah, it is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the identity. Now, I'll write the given number as 1000 minus 1 whole cube. Afrin.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of A? What is there in place of A?
1000.
Only Afrin will tell.
1000.
You are giving your response after somebody tells. What is in place of B?
Minus 1.
Not minus 1, plus 1. You note the correct again. Note A place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇದೆ. Here is minus, here is minus. Only in place of B, 1 is there, not minus 1. So let us write 1000 in place of A and 1 in place of B. Right with me. It is 1000 whole cube minus 1 whole minus 3 into 1000 into B is 1 into 1000 minus 1. Wait. Next.
100 crores.
100 crore.
100 crores.
9 zeros.
Wait.
9 zeros.
Sir, 1 billion.
Enough.
100.
When I'll be giving chance to particular student, let them respond. Others should not interfere. Yes, that's you tell. What is 1000 whole cube?
100 crore.
100 crore. Okay, that is also right. And one student said that it is 1 billion. It is also correct.
9 zeros.
9 zeros.
1000 million, sir.
Enough. Okay. Here, 3 zeros are there. Here, whole cube. So, write 3 zeros 3 times. Okay. Now you can come to know that it is 100 crore. Now, minus 1
One.
is 1 more. Wait, others should not tell. Now I am giving chance to Dhanush. Dhanush, you just simplify the terms which I am going to underline with the dotted line. Yes.
3000. Sir,
Dhanush,
3000, sir.
3000. Yes. 3 ones are 3. Into 1000, it is 3000.
Sir, you will not put there -1.
999. Next.
Sir, beside 1000 you will not put -1.
What? Once you tell.
Beside 1000 I will not put -1, sir.
1000 means I'm not understanding what you are
Sir,
asking.
he's
Sir.
telling you should write -1, sir, not +1, sir.
I told you here is minus, here is minus. In place of P, only 1 is there. Plus 1, that should be written. We have
Yes,
written
sir.
the in place of P, 1. Next. We write 100 crore as it is. 100, for your reference, I'm using Indian system of numeration. That is our system of numeration. -1. Now let us go for multiplying this. Here 3 zeros are there. Let me write 3 zeros as it is. Multiply 999 by 3. 3927.
2997.
Enough. Just write 3 9s are 27. 7 is written. 2 is the carry. Again 3 9s are 27 plus 2. 29. 2 is the carry. 3 9s are 27 plus 2. 29.
29.
Check whether you got same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is 29 lakh 97,000. Then will you go for simplifying this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Whether you take first and last, second and last,
First and last.
First and last.
Last.
First and last.
Last.
subtract just 29 lakh 97,000 in 100. Here 0 minus 0. Then ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Yes, here anyhow, I'll write that here. 100 crore. 100 crore. Then this
Sir,
is
73
29 lakh.
lakh 3,000.
Yes, yes.
73 lakh 3,000, I think, sir.
29 lakh 97,000. For your reference, I am just putting the comma here. Subtract.
99 crore, 70 lakh 3,000.
99 crore. 3. 3. 99 crore. Sir, 3.
27.
Abhinandan, shut your mouth. Prithviraj, Alfred. Just observe.
Sir, I not thought, sir.
Good boy.
Sir, I will not talk, sir.
You never talk only. Just look here. Here from 0, 7 cannot be subtracted. Borrow from the previous number. If these are also 0, obviously I should take from here. It will be 10. So 10 minus 7.
3.
10 minus 7 is 3. Here it becomes 9. 9 minus 9.
Zero.
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 Seven.
Seven.
Nine and nine.
Nine.
Check whether you got same.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
99 no. 70 lakh 3,000. All right.
99,070 lakh 2,900.
Minus 1.
3,000.
In that answer,
99 lakh 97,099.
one minute.
The voice is actually more.
Wait, it is lot of there. Okay, others should not respond, just listen to. Sure, sir. Let us go for subtracting. It is 10 minus 1. It is 9. Here is 9. This will be 2. This is 0. Here 0, 7, then 9, 9. Have you got same?
70.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
99
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
99 crores, 79, 2,990. Just in that we are subtracting only one. So directly you can tell that 99 crores, 79, the 3,000 is there, it will be 299. Right. 99 lakhs, 79 crores, 79, 2,999. This was given in the examination. Please do practice. I'm moving to another one. Can I get one?
Yes, sir.
Please turn on for this house.
Sir, someone unmuted their mic, sir.
Disturbance, sir.
Please mute your audio. Right, it is 10th one now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is 104 whole cube. Wait. I'll give chance to some student. Sinchana. Sinchana, can you hear me? Sinchana. Ritika. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then could you tell me how can it be rewritten first?
10,000.
G, could you tell how do you rewrite this? How do you rewrite 104 whole cube?
Plus 4.
Sanjana will tell.
Plus 4 whole cube.
Sanjana G.
Yes, sir.
Shreya KR.
Sir, 100 plus 4.
Yes, very good.
A plus B
Plus
whole
can be
cube.
written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. It is more than 100.
Whole cube.
100 plus 4 whole cube. And Namit, could you tell which identity can be used for solving this or finding
A plus B whole cube.
Very good. Namit, you continue that. A plus B whole cube. Continue
A-
the identity.
A cube
Ah,
plus B cube
right?
plus 3AB
Right?
into A plus B.
Into
A plus B.
Okay, okay. Afrin, tell the value of A.
100.
Very good. What is the value of B?
4.
Very good. Now, see that your sign are same. So, you should consider only the number in place of B. This time you said correct. A is 100, B is
4. Sir, screen is blur, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just continue to write with me. It is 100 whole cube plus 4 whole cube, 3 into 100 into 4 into 100 plus 4.
So 11,31,456.
11 lakh.
31,456.
Sir, 11,24,864.
Sir, 11,24,864.
11,24,864.
Wait, Rachit is in universe. No, I get response from that point. Universal point. Just tell me.
So just 1 second.
Sir, 11,24,864, sir.
10 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 10 lakhs, sir.
24,864.
Sir, 11,24,864.
Sir, 10
Gagandeep,
lakhs.
11 lakhs, sir.
Gagandeep, you are busy in just sliding, not trying to give the response. I can see only your fingers like this. This is the way you are playing. Hearing anything. It's not fine.
Sorry.
100 whole cube.
10
See
lakhs.
that here.
10 lakh.
After all, we have 2 zeros, right? 6 zeros. So it will be 10 lakh. Then 4 whole cube.
64.
Then this is 4
1,200.
100, 200.
1,200.
104.
Now,
Others should not help. Just go on writing with me. It is 10 lakh and 15 plus 64 plus. Let's go for multiply.
24,800.
Let me write 2 zeros as this. Multiply 104 by 12. It will be easy. 12 4 are 48. 4 is the carry.
So 1,248.
0 plus 4. Then 12 ones are 12. Check whether you got same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same, sir.
Okay, okay. See that this is 10 lakh. This is 1,24,800. Here 10 lakh plus 1 lakh.
11 lakh 24,800.
11,24,864, sir.
64.
Correct, correct. 24,800 plus 64. 864.
864.
Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Same.
So,
Right. 104 whole cube is equal to this one. 11,24,860.
Raju sir,
Yes, sir.
you called me?
Yes, sir. I called you just once only. It
No,
was
I
coming
received
echo, sir, so that
Sir?
it was coming echo, sir, in that time, so that I called you. I did not know the reason for that.
No, my mobile was silent, sir. I kept in a charge, so that is why.
Okay. Right, just any student, just speak to me. Let us see whether it comes or not.
Harsh Jain.
Hello.
Jain.
Hello.
Lekha
Listen.
KV,
Enough. Harsh Jain,
Yes, sir.
how to speak? How to speak? Not yes, sir. Huh?
I not, sir.
I know that. Don't speak like that.
Please don't go for using, your pronunciation should not be just I not, am not. That is the right usage. Got it? I not understood. I not go. I not come. These are not usages in English. Okay. Now I'm going to take another one. This time we are moving, expanding some of the statements, not just finding the value of the numbers or value of the product of the numbers. Just we are going to expand the statements. One simple example will be given. Look here. Very simple.
A cube plus B cube.
Sir, it's echoing.
Listen to me.
Sir, again your voice is echoing, sir.
Again, it is echoing, sir.
Prashant sir is
Sir, your
on
voice
the,
is clear,
will
sir.
correct it.
Your voice is clear. Please continue. Sir, your voice is clear. Please
Okay, sir.
continue. Nothing to worry.
Dear students, you are very familiar with the identity A plus B whole square, which is exactly equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now, I want the expansion of x plus y whole square. Wait, I expect this from Babel. Babel, how do you expand this?
Sir, shall I,
I
sir?
already told it is of the form A plus B
Shall
whole
I,
square.
sir?
Even
X square plus y square plus 2xy.
correct. Square plus y plus
Sir,
square
again
plus.
it is echoing.
Sir,
Yes, sir,
echoing,
echo.
sir.
Echo, sir.
Nothing to worry. Prashant sir is there. He will correct it. X plus y whole square is equal to x
Now
plus
it's clear,
y
sir.
square plus 2xy. Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Prithvi. Expand this.
P square plus Q square plus 2 P square plus
Continue.
2PQ.
2 P square
PQ.
Very good. You
P
said
square.
that. P plus Q whole square is of the form A plus P whole square. It can be written as P square plus Q square plus 2P. This time I expect from.
Sir, me.
Wait. Gaurav Srinivas should speak a bit loudly.
Yes, sir.
Please. I want direct response. 2x plus y whole square.
2x square plus y square plus
Okay.
2 into 2x
Wait. 2x whole square plus.
y square
Correct.
plus 2 into 2x plus into 2x
Into y. Very good. Continue this. It can be simplified.
4x plus y square
4x square. Square is
square
applicable to
plus
both. Next.
plus y square
Correct.
plus 4x square
4xy
4xy
into x into y. So 4xy. Got it?
yes sir.
Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Next one I'll give you. And I don't want this type statement. I expect this one directly.
Yes, sir.
2x plus 3y whole square. Tell it.
4x square
4x square
plus
plus
9y square.
Wait, Akshay. I've given chance to Akshay only. He will tell.
Plus 9y square.
Very good.
4 plus 4x.
12xy.
Very good. Very good. 2AB. 2AB. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Sorry, 4 3s are 12 into xy. It is 12xy. Got it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Rajesh sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Rajesh sir, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Rajesh sir, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Dear student, someone, I'm not going to tell them their names. Some students, they connected to home theater. Okay. Unnecessarily, they are unmuting and they are voicing out. So that is, it has been giving a echo sound. So please disconnect the home theater. Please disconnect from the home theater. I'm not going to tell their names. If it repeat again, I am going to remove it from the meeting. This is a final warning. Who connected with the home theater? Sir, continue, sir.
Okay, sir. This time I expect from Chaitanya, sir. Wait. Don't want. Kaula Sheikh. As well as Kaula Sheikh and
From last start the explain.
here I am writing 3m plus 4n whole square. Kaula Sheikh and Ritika. You have to give the response. Expand. Good to
Sir.
simply.
Could I?
Wait.
Sir.
Chandana, will you try?
So
Chandana.
3m square plus 4n square plus
9m square.
3m.
Sir,
2 into 3m into 4n.
3m into 3m plus 4n.
Wait. You are correct only, but method of telling there is small correction. And also I told you I'm expecting this final statement. Arushi.
Sir, 9m square plus 24mn.
16.
No, 24mn
square.
plus 16n square.
Correct. Yeah, she has used this one. A square plus 2ab plus b square. You may also use a square plus b square plus 2a. Both are same. 3m whole square. It is 9m square. 4m whole square. It is 16n square. 2ab. 2 into 3m into 4m. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. Into m into n. So it is 24m. This is a simple way of expanding. So now we are moving to that one. Right. Second question. Expand each of the following using the suitable identities. Second question is right. Expand each of the following. Using the suitable identities. I take first one, which I had given you last one. Right. 2m plus 3n whole square. They would have given the suitable identity should be used. If for expanding this, you may go for using which identity?
A plus B whole square.
B whole square.
Whole square. Write it directly. You must. It is not necessary to go for rewriting this. Directly, it can be written. It is A minus B whole square is exactly equal.
A plus B whole square.
A plus B, sir.
A square plus B square plus 2A. 2M plus 3N whole square is equal to Egna. 2M whole square in place of B, write 3N. 3N whole square plus 2A. 2 into 2M, B is 3M. It's 3. It is equal to 2M whole square is 4M square. 3M 3M whole square is 9M square.
12 mn.
2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 mn. Conclusion. Therefore, 2M plus 3M whole square is equal to this thing. Let me go for taking second one. Shall I take up next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. It is 5p minus 11q whole square.
A minus B.
Wait. Tanesh, could you tell it is in the form of which identity?
A minus.
Ananya SN? Which identity?
A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square.
Very good. Right. A minus B whole square. Tanesh, expand this.
A square plus B square plus minus 2AB.
Minus 2AB. Now go for substitute. Right with me. 5p minus 11q whole square. Here, in place of A, you have to write 5p. Place of B, write 11q. Shreya, have you done this?
No, sir. Writing, sir.
Okay. Right.
25
5p whole square plus 11q whole square minus 2ab. 2 into where A is 5b, then B is 11q. Rohan, what is 5p whole square?
Sir,
25.
25.
50.
5 square
5p whole square.
25p square.
25p square. Mohita VG. What is 11q whole square? 11q whole square.
121 Q square.
121 q square.
121 q square.
Minus 110
Minus
p.
110.
Minus
110 p.
25 square plus
You are right.
110
p.
2 5s are 10.
50.
10 11s are 110.
110.
110 p. Let me take another one. It is right. Third one. X plus 3 into x plus 3. This time I'm giving chance to Amol K. Could you tell in which form it is?
X plus A into X plus B.
No, sir.
A plus B
X
whole
plus B whole
X
square.
plus 3 whole square.
A plus B
A
whole
plus B
square.
whole
Whole
square.
square.
First term is same, second term is also same, sign is also same. Therefore, it is A plus B whole square. Very simple thing is, if the terms are same, first term and second terms are same, either it will be A plus B whole square or it will be A minus B whole square. A plus sign is there, we can write A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2A. Then x plus 3 into x plus 3, it is x plus 3 whole square. And you should write x in place of A and substitute 3 in place of B.
X square plus 9 plus 6x. Sir.
X square plus 9 plus 6x.
X square plus 9.
Sir, X square plus 9 plus 6x.
Wait. Hope that you have written. Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Shreyas, what is the standard form of this statement? Only Shreyas will tell. Afrin,
Sir, can I?
The screen is not clear.
Sir,
Sir,
can
could
I?
I?
Sir, can I?
wait. Oh, okay.
Sir, 15 exchange. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Edamma.
Sir, x square plus 6x plus 9.
Very good. X square plus 6x plus 9. We have written in standard form. Shreyas. Are you eating paper?
Sir, it is compulsory to write in standard form, sir.
It is for quality writing, we expect this one. So it is better to write in standard form only. Next, I take one more. One more, right. It is. Let me see how many of you can handle this. Fourth one. Is 2x plus 3y plus 4z whole square. Tanush, could you tell it is in the form of which identity?
A plus B plus C square, whole square.
Yes, A plus B plus C whole square. Please go for expanding that. Write at yourself. Shreyas, you are eating the paper. Very unfortunate. We know that which animal will go for eating papers. That's not fine. Right. It is of the form A plus B plus C whole square, which is exactly equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now you know. It is 2x plus 3y plus 4z whole square is equal to, first you may put bracket, then substitution will be easy. Yes, for your reference I'm writing, it is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Now I'm writing. In place of A, you can write 2x, place of A, write 3y, place of C, write 4. It is 2x, 4z. Substitution will be easy. It is 2x 3y, then 3y 4z, then 4z 2x. This is equal to 2x whole square. Shreyas, question, sorry, roll number 39. Sarthak Anil Hardy. What is 2x whole square? Sarthak,
4x square.
very good. 3y whole square.
9y square.
Next 4z whole square.
16z square.
Very good. Then 2 into 2x into 3y. Multiply first numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are
2y.
12x.
12xy.
24xy.
24yz.
24yz plus 16z
Plus 16.
plus 16zx.
Plus 16zx.
ZX, correct. This is the expanded form of 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Whole square. So now even it is time up, so that for today's class, let us close today's class with this problem only. Tomorrow we will come across very important problems, that too from NCERT textbook only. They have given very nice problems. Let us go for solving them in tomorrow's class. So with this, let us stop the class. Please do
Thank you,
practice.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.